Welcome back to my channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Thanks for being here today. You all, we're going to be going over what's going on with you guys in the month of September. I hope that you are excited about September like I am. I hope that you guys are just ready to bring in my favorite season, fall. I absolutely love fall time. Everything just gets so cozy and beautiful. The world beautifies itself in the fall. So it's really, really, truly a great time. So for all 12 signs, Aquarius, we're going through a very spiritual time for everyone, okay? This is a time where some people may be drawn more into spirituality. Spiritual topics could be talked about. Religion, God, whatever you believe in, different things may be pulling at different people. So don't be surprised if you find yourself fully immersed in some type of spiritual experiences, or wanting to get more knowledge or researching more about spirituality, different topics about it. Finding your niche area, your market where you could thrive in business is also something that a lot of people are going to be focused on during this time. But the main goal here and the main priority is God being number one. And I know that a lot of people say that that is what is the center of their lives already, but the actions don't show it. Actions don't reflect it, because there's not really a real connection, because it really is about your heart and how that's set up, how you treat people, how you feel about things. So for you, Aquarius, being that my conversation is now heading in that direction, I believe that the highlight of September for you guys is going to be showmanship. Showing that you really are who you say you are. Showing to others that you really are a child of God. And the best way to do that is to just really act like it. Act like it when you're outside and when you're inside. If you see someone who needs help, you can help. If you see someone who is going through a struggle, you do not talk about them, you help them. If you see someone who really is going through a really painful time in their life, or a dark time in their life, you're going to help them. If you see someone who's celebrating something, happy about something, ecstatic about something, you're going to join in and celebrate with them and be genuinely happy for them. This is the month where the petty talk, the catty things, the messy stuff, the girl group things, the guy group things, I feel like that should just be put to the back burner in the month of September. I do feel that this is a time where you show and prove that you, to yourself, not really to people, which people are going to be seeing this, right? People are going to see it, but it's not the primary focus. The primary focus is for just God's eyes only, to see what you've been doing to connect with Him, what you've been doing to show love to Him, to honor Him, to give things, blessings back to God, right? And the best way to give a blessing to the great Almighty God is to show respect to His entire kingdom, right? His children, the goddesses, gods that He created to have these extraordinary abilities, such as like myself. I'm just using myself as an example. But you show respect. You show respect and you show love. You show support. So that is something that is going to be, very important for you guys. Showmanship, okay? Now, this is a very general thing, so don't feel like you're being called out. If you listen to all the other zodiac signs readings, you'll hear the same thing. You'll hear me talking about the same type of energy. Now, this month is important because we're in the Virgo season, and then we're going into the Libra season. So this is what I personally like to call the cusp of perfection. This is the cusp of perfection, where the energy is there to make things right. And that's why, doesn't it make sense, right? We have God here and making things right. So it's a personal development thing. It's a part of your personal development where things are being balanced out for the better. So Virgo brings in hard work and service, and Libra brings in scales to be balanced by God. So we have, like, through your acts of service, You're going to have the ability to really show and prove how connected you are. And people are going to pick this up and notice these things. All right. So let's get more specifically into your energy for the month. I feel like in September, a lot of you guys are going to be wanting to switch up the tempo or switch up the pace of things this month. Maybe you're going to want to either slow down so that you can focus more on certain things, reach certain goals, or you're going to increase your activities here. So I'm getting strongly that it's more about moving quickly to get more done. That could be your logical, practical minded self, since we have Virgo and Libra and they're very logical and practical. They both are. So you have this earth energy and this air energy coming in to enlighten your mind, put you in a certain mindset where you are dutiful. You are focused on your duties, your goals, your projects, your business, your career. It's pushing you into more like a fast-paced movement upwards. So I think with this type of energy, you're going to be it's going to be easier for you, Aquarius, to call in abundance than it is for a lot of other signs. You and Capricorn should work closely together with this energy, since Capricorns are going to be super manifestors in the month of September. You are similar. Calling in abundance is manifesting something. But I feel like with the Capricorns is more about like their words have power. They can call in the money, the success, or whatever it is that they want. I think that you guys can, but I think for you, what this is going to do is expand you. It's more about an expansion for you, where Capricorn is more about gaining. And I think that is two different things, to be honest with you, because you can gain something you've never had, but when you expand something, that means you already have it. It's just growing. Okay. So I think that with you guys, you can grow something. You can grow something beautiful in the month of September in order to achieve the things that you may feel like you want. You can get to it more quicker or at a better pace to get more things done in work or business. So that's what you're going to be primarily focused on. You may experience an uptick in sales because of this. Okay. You may get an increase in sales because you're moving so quickly to get a lot of things out of the way. You're handling your business and you're doing it at a quicker pace so that you can see the profits of it. See great results with your marketing and your promotions. So I think that for a lot of you, a lot of your days in September may be to bring in a steady cash flow and market yourself more, or market your business or your project more, or a creative endeavor, especially if you are a book author. Okay. But a lot of you guys are going to be standing at a very good point of a mountain. Because I did like visualize a mountain where you're at a point on the mountain. I don't feel like you guys are exactly at the very tippy top, at the peak of the mountain. I really don't think you're at the peak, but I do think you are not far. I definitely think that you are so close, but even if you're not at the peak, you're high enough up to see everything in front of you. There's nothing obstructing your view, which means that with you putting in this like strong energy behind your business projects, your job, or whatever, that means that with you switching up your pace, you're going to get to that peak sooner than you thought. All right. So whatever tools, resources, training, classes, workshops, skills that you will be developing in September is going to help you achieve some type of success at a quicker pace, or maybe some of you guys are finishing up some type of project that allows you, it is about to open a new door for financial freedom. But whatever it is, it's going to help you. So this is the month where if you get what it is that you really, really need in order to do what you really, really want, you'll be starting this new venture or this new thing quickly, because you're going to get everything that you need and you're not going to waste your time. You're not going to be procrastinating about it. You're going to get out there and do it and get everything done that you need to get done. And this allows success because you're calling it in. You're calling it in by taking the action steps to make it happen. So this is an energy where you're going to be very proud of yourself, I feel, when you finally get to that point this month where you feel like, okay, I've mastered something. I've figured something out. All right, I've cracked the code here to bring this fortune in that I desire. So your word for the month of September is flame. Flame, like a fire flame. So some of you, I see this in two ways. Some of you may be dealing with a fire sign, male or female, or someone who has sun, moon, or rising Aries, Leo, or Taurus. I'm sorry. Well, wow. I said Taurus. Somebody could be dealing with the Taurus. That slipped out. That wasn't supposed to happen. But drop a comment down below if you guys are dealing with the Taurus. And also, guys, I do offer 25% off of some of the readings. You guys might want to go ahead and get it while it's hot, because on the 9th, that's it. All right, so we only have a few more days to get those readings from me. Check out the link down below in the description box. It's ferrarico.etsy.com to check that out and take advantage of that while there is a sale, the Labor Day sale, end of summer. Okay, but yeah, an Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius sun, moon, or rising, some of you could be dealing with, or if not, then this is about a twin flame. This could be about someone who is a twin soul to you that you may be really connecting with in this month. This could be a person who's going to help you financially or in business. It could even just be, if it's not that, then this can just be about you seeing that you have an infinite potential. And what's happening is that flame and fire is symbolic of ambition and passion. So it could be something that you are going to be super ambitious about because you realize what your true passion is. And with this energy that you hold, it may even be that you kind of are acting like a fire sign in September, the way you are approaching your business and your fourth house. Your fourth house energy is pretty fiery. So you're going to be able to transmute any negative energies into something good. You're transmuting all that is not love, all that is not good for you. You're able to wiggle yourself out of those situations and see that you have a lot of potential here. This month is filled with a lot of magic and mystery. I feel like if you use your intuition this month, that's going to be a powerful thing for you. Your intuitive side will shine, and I feel like that's also going to help you see better success and have better luck around business. That's all I have. God bless.